finally, I've been waiting a couple weeks to finally build my new bike up, and I'm really excited to tell you guys what I'm riding finally. So, I purchased with my own money. I bought an S&M ATF frame. American made, only fits since I ride for Profile Racing to ride an American made frame, which I also bought S&M forks and handlebars to go along with it, which I'll tell you guys all about in a bike check I do after this video, but I had to tell you guys, I am now riding an S&M ATF frame. This was by choice, just simply because they are an American-made company. I don't have any obligations with any other bike brands at the moment. Obviously, I'm still open to offers and seeing what's out there, but I'm really pumped. I think this is going to be a really cool build, and I'm stoked to show you guys, so let's dive in. All right, you can see the badge there, S&M. There's the frame. And then, on the front of it, I got an old Dead Bent head badge, which I will tell you guys all about Dead Bent later. It is from my childhood. Good times, good times. But there's the frame. All right, it's all done. I'm really pumped on how this build came out. I think it came in at 23 pounds, 5 ounces. I'm really happy with that. I think it's one of the lighter bikes that I've had. But I ended up going with the S&M parts because my store, Suburban Cycles, we actually just signed on to become a Fit and S&M dealer. So I wanted to be on a bike that we actually sell their products in our stores. They're products that are readily available. That, and also, it was the most readily available American-made frame, fork, and bar that I could get. I haven't ridden anything yet, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to adjust to it. It's a little bit different geometry than my old signature frame, but I'm really excited to get on it and try it out. I'm gonna be doing an official bike check video here hopefully next week. Tune into the bike check next time, and we'll see you guys then. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you there.